If you don't have time, if you are a working professional, or if you are a homemaker, you don't have time to learn this language. You don't have time to write, read, or practice after going outside with your friend. No, you don't have time. So do one thing, and that is bonus tip. That is 100% workable. That can that only that can transform your life. Yeah, apply that thing. That is listening, passive listening. Here, passive listening. Just if you are doing the dishes, if you are cooking the food, if you are doing any work, if you are just washing the clothes, just apply this thing. Just wear the headphone or earbuds. Just listen, start listening to the English songs, to English speeches, to English blogs. Just listen and repeat. After listening, repeat. Those same words you have to repeat. That is listening and repeating habit. That can generate a curiosity, and that can give you a lot of information about this language. That can give you a lot of pronunciation skills, lot of things to speak in English language. And लिसनिंग इज द ओनली थिंग दैट विल हेल्प यू अलॉट. क्योंकि जब हम छोटे होते हैं ना, हमें क्या नॉलेज होती है किसी भी लैंग्वेज के बारे में नहीं होती है. तो पहला वर्क क्या होता है, लिसनिंग ही करते हैं. हम लोग लिसनिंग ही करते हैं ना. जब हम छोटे होते हैं, हमारे आसपास मम्मी पापा और भाई बहन जो होते हैं, वो सब बोल रहे होते हैं उस लैंग्वेज में, उस पार्टिकुलर रीजनल लैंग्वेज में, और हम धीरे धीरे उन सारे वर्ड्स को सुनकर थोड़ा थोड़ा ट्राई करने लगते हैं. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइस. यू जस्ट हैव टू डू द listening, passive listening or active listening. Just listen. Okay, that is bonus tip. So you have to like and subscribe to my channel with notifications. I mean, you have to press the bell icon so that you can never miss my videos. I will be uploading these kinds of relevant content for you. Have a good day. Bye bye. We will meet in another specific and very, very important video.